Hello students, now I am doing class for class 10. So today's subject is mathematics. So the topic is uniform rate of growth. So in the last time, in the last online class also, we were doing the same topic, that is uniform rate of growth. So this is your continuation class, right? So now in the last class we did question number 8. Now we will do from question number 9. So what is question number 9 here is weight of Saban Babu is 80 kg. 80 kg. Weight of Saban Babu is 80 kg. In order to reduce his weight, he started regular morning walk. So in order to reduce his weight, he started regular morning walk, right? So what is the weight of Saban Babu? 80. It is his weight is 80 kg, right? So in order to reduce his weight, he started regular morning walk, right? He decided to reduce his weight every year by 10%. The Saban Babu ne ke decide garyo bhanda he decided to reduce his weight 10% every year. He decided to reduce his weight 10% every year. That is the rate of decrease of his weight per year is 10%. Okay. So let us write by calculating his weight after 3 years. So what will be his weight after 3 years? So again my question बुझ्न चाहन्छु. The weight of Saban Babu चाहिँ कति रहेछ? 80 kg रहेछ, हैन? So weight of Saban Babu is 80 kg. So in order to reduce his weight, he started regular morning walk. Okay, and the rate of decrease of his weight per year is 10%. So what will be his weight after 3 years? The उसको weight चाहिँ after 3 years कति हुँदैछ त्यो चाहिँ हामी निकाल्नु पर्छ. त यहाँ चाहिँ के हुँदैछ? The rate of decrease per year is 10%. यहाँ decrease हुँदैछ. Decrease हुँदैछ भने चाहिँ हामीले के फर्मुला युज गर्नुपर्छ? Minus sign. That is V is equal to V0 within bracket 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n. Right? So let's do this problem. Now the solution is, so what is the weight of Saban Babu? 80 kg. Right? This is the initial value. That is V0 is equal to 80 kg. Because you have to find out his weight after how many years? 3 years. Okay? So what is the rate of decrease of his weight per year? What is the rate of decrease of his weight per year? It is 10%. That is R. R is equal to 10%. So now you have to calculate the weight of Saban Babu after how many years? 3 years, right? So N is equal to 3 years and V is equal to question mark. V is the final value. Final value of his weight after how many years? 3 years, right? So यहाँ चाहिँ के हुँदैछ भन्दाखेरि rate के हुँदैछ? Rate of weight is decreased by 10% every year. So minus sign, you have to use minus sign formula. So we know that V is equal to V0 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n. This is the formula. Okay. So V is equal to V0 within bracket 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n, right? Or V is equal to, what is V0 out here? It is 80 within bracket 1 minus, what is R here? 10%. So 10 divided by 100 whole cube. Here the value for n is 3. So here you can cancel this, 0, 0 gets cancels. You can cancel them. Now next. Therefore, V is equal to 80 within bracket. This is only 10 is there. 10 ones are 10 minus 1. That is 9 upon 10 whole cube. Right? Or V is equal to 80 into, what is 9 by 10 whole cube? 9 by 10 is multiplied 3 times, isn't it? That is 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. Okay? So this 1 0 1 0 gets cancels, or V is equal to, now let us multiply them. 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81, right? Divided by 10 10s are, this is 100. So let us multiply 81 by 72. So you have to show the rough work. Okay, so let's show the rough work out here. Rough work. This is the rough work. Now 81 into 72. 81 into 72, right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56. So it is 2, 13, 1, 8, 5. So V is equal to now 2, 3, 8, 5. So what is this product? 5832 divided by 100. Now we have to divide 5832 by 100. So what is the method here? So after 1, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So you have to write decimal point before 2 figures from the last. That is, हामीले जस्तै यहाँ 1 को पछाडी दुईटा जिरो छ त माथिबाट हामी दुईटा फिगर गर्ने डेसिमल लाउनु पर्छ. That is 2 र 3 को अगाडि. Before these 2 and 3 you have to write down the decimal point because there are 2 zeros in the denominator. So our V is equal to 58.32. So this is the final value after how many years? 3 years. So what will be the weight of Saban Babu after 3 years? 58.32 kg. So write down the answer now. So this is your answer. So you have to write down the answer also. Weight of Saban Babu after how many years? After 3 years is equal to how much is it? It is 58.32. It is 58.32 kg. So this is your final answer. So I think you have understood it. So we'll do the next question now. You can copy it. So now we will do question number 10. At present, the sum of the number of students in all MSK in a district is 3,993. Okay. So if the number of students increased in a year was 10% of its previous year. So let us calculate the sum of the number of students 3 years before in all the MSK in the district. एउटा डिस्ट्रिक्टमा जति पनि MSK हरू छन् त्यसमा sum of the number of students is how much? It is 3,993. The total number of students in all MSK in a district is 3,993, right? So now, if the number of students increase in a year was 10% of its previous years, that is, the rate of increase of students per year in all these MSK is 10% of its previous year. That means the rate of increase of students per year is 10%. That is every year. Okay. Now we have to find out the number of students 3 years before in all the MSK in a district. Okay. त तिमीले चाहिँ के निकाल्नु पर्छ 3 वर्ष अगाडि चाहिँ त्यो जति पनि डिस्ट्रिक्टमा MSK हरू छन् ती MSK मा चाहिँ टोटल नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स कति थियो त्यो चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्छ. इज दैट क्लियर? सो म फेरि पनि बुझाउने चेष्टा गर्दै छु. एउटा डिस्ट्रिक्टमा जति पनि MSK हरू छन् त्यसमा सम अफ द नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स इज इक्वल टु कति रहेछ 3,993 and the rate of increase of students per year in all these MSK is 10% every year, right? Now you have to find out the number of students in all this MSK 3 years before in all the districts in all the MSK in the district. So तिमीले चाहिँ के निकाल्नु पर्छ 3 वर्ष अगाडि चाहिँ त्यो जति पनि MSK हरू छन् एउटा डिस्ट्रिक्टमा त्यसमा टोटल नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स चाहिँ कति थियो त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ. That means 3 years बिफोर हामीले निकाल्नु पर्छ भने त्यो चाहिँ हो इनिशियल भ्यालु त आफ्टर 3 years चाहिँ के हुन्छ त्यसमा चाहिँ तिमीहरुको के भयो फाइनल भ्यालु v इनिशियल भ्यालु चाहिँ v0 भयो त यहाँ चाहिँ के दिएको छ भन्दाखेरि एट प्रेजेन्ट अहिले हालैमा चाहिँ 3993 छ टोटल नम्बर अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स यो चाहिँ हो फाइनल भ्यालु सो you have to find out the number of students 3 years before in all the MSK in a district. Okay, that means you have to find out the initial value, that is V0. So what is the rate of increase of students per year? Rate of increase of the number of students per year is what? It is 10% of the previous year. So you have to find out the number of students 3 years before in all the MSK in a district. Is that clear now? So let's do this question now. Now solution. So now this 3993 is the final value. V is equal to 3993. So you have to find out the sum of the number of students 3 years before in all the MSK in the district. That means you have to find out V0 question mark, right? Now what is the rate of increase of students or the rate of increase in the number of students per year in the district is 10%, right? So R is equal to, this is 10%, R is equal to what? This is your 10%, okay? So now, what is the value for N? That is 3 years. That means you have to find out the number of students, you have to find out the number of students 3 years before in all the MSK in the district, right? So these are the datas given in the question, okay? So now we know that V is equal to V0 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power N. So why do we write here plus sign? Because it is the rate of increase of the number of students, isn't it? If it is the rate of increase in the number of students, then you have to write down plus sign, right? So what is the value for V here? It is 3993, isn't it? That is V is the final value after 3 years actually here, 3993. V0 is the initial value before 3 years. So V0 keep it as it is 1 plus, what is the value for R here? 10. 10 divided by 100 whole to the power 3. Is that right? So next, you can cancel this 0 gets cancels, or 3993 is equal to V0 within bracket. You can simplify it. 10 ones are 10 plus 1. That is 11 by 10 whole to the power 3. Okay? Now let's simplify it. Now let us simplify it, or 3993 is equal to V0 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, right? Or 3993 is equal to V0 into, let us multiply them. 11 11s are 121 into 11 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. What is it? 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Then 3 zeros are there. You have to write down 3 0 after 1, right? Or 3993 is equal to V0 into, now let us multiply 121 by 11. So 11 ones are 11, 1, 1. 11 twos are 22 plus 1 is 23, 3, 2 remains. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11 plus 2 is 12, 13, right? Divided by what? 1000. So below 3993 there is 1, right? Now you can do cross multiplication, okay? Or V0 into 1331 is equal to 3993 into 1000. Is that clear? Now, or V0 is equal to, now it is 3993 into 1000 whole divided by, it is 1331. Okay, so when this 1331 goes to the right hand side, and since there is multiplication sign here, so when this 1331 goes to the right hand side, it will go to the denominator on the right hand side. Okay, so you can cancel these 3993 by 1331. That means it is 3 times, isn't it? 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. That means what is V0 is equal to? It is 3000. So how many students were there in all the MSK in the district before 3 years? The number of students is 3000. Is that right? So now let us write down the answer. Therefore, number of students before 3 years. Number of students before 3 years is equal to 3000. So this is the answer. So number of students before 3 years is equal to 3000. Is that right? So you can copy it. We'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question. The question is question number 11. As the farmers are becoming more alert of the harmful effects of applying the chemical fertilizers and insecticides in agricultural land, the number of farmers using fertilizers and insecticides in village of Rasulpur decreases by 20% in a year in comparison to its previous year. The एउटा भिलेजमा कतिजना किसानहरू अथवा कृषकहरू छन्, ती किसानहरूले चाहिँ के थाहा पाएछ भन्दाखेरि कुनै पनि खेतीपाती गर्ने जग्गामा केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स अर्थात् रासायनिक मलहरू भनौँ, अर्थात् यो जति पनि किरा मार्ने चीजहरू छ त्यो चाहिँ खेतीपाती गर्ने चीजमा छर्किदियो भने चाहिँ त्यसले नराम्रो इफेक्ट पार्छ, त्यसले नराम्रो प्रभाव पार्छ, खेतीपातीलाई त्यसले नराम्रो प्रभाव पार्छ भन्ने देखेर के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि त्यो भिलेजमा चाहिँ त्यो नम्बर अफ फार्मर्स चाहिँ के भयो घट्दै गयो। त कसो पाराले घट्यो भन्दाखेरि द नम्बर अफ फार्मर्स डिक्रिजेस बाई 20% every year in comparison to the previous year. That is, the number of farmers is decreasing by 20% every year in comparison to the previous year. Clear, Baba? So now next, 3 years before, the number of such farmers was 3000. 3 वर्ष अगाडि चाहिँ the number of such farmers using these chemical fertilizers and insecticides were 3000. 3 वर्ष अगाडि चाहिँ number of farmers using these insecticides and fertilizers were 3000, right? So now you have to find out, let us calculate the number of such farmers in that village now. अब अहिले हालैमा चाहिँ त्यहाँ number of farmers हरु कति छन् त्यो चाहिँ हामीले निकाल्नु पर्छ। क्वेशन बुझे हैन? फेरि पनि म बुझाउँदै छु। त किसान अथवा कृषकहरुले चाहिँ के थाहा पाएछ भन्दाखेरि यो जति पनि रासायनिक मलहरु, केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स अनि इन्सेक्टिसाइड्स भनेको किरा मार्ने यो जति पनि चीजहरु छ त्यो चाहिँ खेतीपातीमा छर्किदियो भने चाहिँ यसले नराम्रो प्रभाव पार्न सक्छ भन्ने देखेर चाहिँ त्यो कुनै एउटा भिलेजमा रसुलपुरको कुनै एउटा भिलेजमा चाहिँ नम्बर अफ फार्मर्स घट्दै गएछ। त कसो पाराले घट्यो भन्दाखेरि द नम्बर अफ फार्मर्स डिक्रिजेस बाइ 10%, not 10%, sorry, 20% every year in comparison to the previous year, right? त यहाँ क्वेशनमा के भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि before 3 years the number of farmers using such type of chemical fertilizers and insecticides were 3000. Now you have to find out the number of farmers using such fertilizers and insecticides now. Is that clear to all of you? अहिले हालैमा चाहिँ कतिजना फार्मर्सहरु छ जो फार्मरहरुले चाहिँ यो केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स र इन्सेक्टिसाइड्सहरु युज गर्दै छ. Is the question clear to all of you? Now let's do this problem now. So solution. Now here the number of, that is not number, the rate of decrease of farmers per year, the rate of decrease of the number of farmers per year, the rate of decrease in the number of farmers per year is 20% in comparison to the previous year. That is the value for R. R is equal to what here? 20%, right? And before 3 years means 3 वर्ष अगाडि, before 3 years means 3 वर्ष अगाडि, the number of farmers using such chemical fertilizers and insecticides were 3000. 3 वर्ष अगाडि चाहिँ number of farmers कति थियो रहेछ? 3000 थियो रहेछ. त्यो चाहिँ इनिशियल भ्यालु भयो. That is V0. V0 is equal to 3000 before 3 years. That is n is equal to कति भयो? यहाँ 3 years भयो. Now you have to find out the number of farmers now. You have to find out the number of farmers using such chemical fertilizers and insecticides now, right? That is, you have to find out the value for V. That is the final value V. V0 is the initial value, that is before 3 years, that is V0 is equal to 3000. Now you have to find out the final value V, that is after 3 years, that is V is equal to question mark. So here say decreasing ko kura aundaisa. That is, the rate of decrease in the number of farmers per year is 20% every year in comparison to the previous year, right? So here चाहिँ decrease हुँदैछ. Decrease हुँदैछ भने हामीले फर्मुलामा माइनस साइन युज गर्नु पर्यो. So you have to write, we know that V is equal to V0 within bracket 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n. This is the correct formula. Decreasing भनेपछि बीचमा के साइन युज गर्नुपर्छ? माइनस साइन. बुझ्दैछ? ल अब हामी प्रब्लम गर्न सक्छौं. त क्वेशन हेर्दा मात्रै लेन्दी छ तर एकदमै सजिलो छ, हैन? So you can do it. Or V is equal to, just you have to put the values now. What is V0? What is V0? It is 3000. V0 is 3000, right? Because this is the initial value. Before 3 years, it was the number of farmers were 3000, isn't it? So 3000 within bracket 1 minus what is R? R is 20. 20 divided by what? 100 whole to the power what? 3. Is it correct? Now let's check it. V final value, you have to find out V final value, that is after 3 years. Before 3 years, V0 is equal to 3000, right? So 1 minus, what is R here? 20 divided by 100 whole cube, right? Or V is equal to 3000 within bracket 21s are 20, 25s are 100. Okay? So 5 ones are 5, minus 1 is 4 by 5. It is 4 by 5 whole cube, right? Now let us simplify it. Or V is equal to 3000 into, it is 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5, right? 4 by 5 whole cube means you have to multiply 4 by 5 3 times. 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 0 0. Again 5 they cancel on this. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0, right? Or V is equal to 120 into, this is 4 fours are 16 into, this is again 4 by 5 is there. So you can cancel this 120 by 5, isn't it? So 5 ones are 5, 5 le ala kati times answer? 5 twos are 10, 20, 5 fours are 20, right? Or V is equal to 24 multiplied by 16 fours are 64. 16 fours are what? 64. Now You have to multiply 64 by 24. So in the rough work you can multiply it. So this is your rough work, right? So now 64 into 24. 64 into 24. How much is it? 4 4s are 16, 6, 1, 6 4s are 24, plus 1 is 25, right? 4 4s are 16, 6, 1, 6 4s are 24, plus 1 is 25. Again 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. So it is 6, 8 plus 5, 13, 3, 1, 3 plus 2, 5, 1. So it is V is equal to, what is V is equal to? 1536. So number of farmers in the village now is 1536. That is the answer. That is number of farmers in the village now. अहिले हालैमा चाहिँ number of the farmers in the village now. त हालैमा चाहिँ कृषक अथवा किसानहरूको संख्या कति रहेछ? 1536. So number of farmers in the village now is equal to 1536. So this is the answer. Okay, V is equal to 1536. This answer is number of farmers in the village now is equal to 1536. So this is your answer. I think you have understood it. So we'll do the next question now. So now we'll do the next question, that is question number 12. The question says that the price of a machine of a factory is rupees 18,000. In a factory, the price of a machine is rupees 18,000. Okay. So before we do all this problem, I told you about the machine. Because of the constant use of machine, the value or the price of the machine decreases every year, isn't it? त्यो मेसिनहरु हामी जति जति चलाउँदै जान्छ त्यसको भ्यालु पनि के हुन्छ घट्दै जान्छ एभ्री इयर हैन त यहाँ पनि के भन्दैछ द प्राइस अफ अ मेसिन अफ अ फ्याक्ट्री इज रुपीस 18,000 राइट द प्राइस अफ दैट मेसिन डिक्रिजेस बाइ 10% इन each year. So in each year the price of that machine decreases by 10% in comparison to the previous year. प्रत्येक वर्ष त्यसको भ्यालु अथवा प्राइस कति पर्सेन्टेजले घट्दै जाँदैछ? 10% ले घट्दै जाँदैछ. क्लियर? घट्दैछ यहाँ. Decreasing, right? Let us calculate its price after 3 years. Decreasing भनेको त माइनस, increasing भनेको त प्लस, right? Let us calculate its price after 3 years. 3 वर्ष पछाडी चाहिँ त्यसको दाम, त्यसको भ्यालु कति हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ हामीले निकाल्नु पर्छ. त यसमा इनिशियल भ्यालु र फाइनल भ्यालु कुन चाहिँ निकाल्नु पर्छ त्यो चाहिँ राम्रो थाहा हुनु पर्छ. आफ्टर 3 इयर्स, आफ्टर सम इयर्स निकाल्नु भन्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो फाइनल भ्यालु हो. बिफोर 3 इयर्स और बिफोर सम इयर्स निकाल्नु भने चाहिँ त्यो के हो? इनिशियल भ्यालु हो. यो चाहिँ राम्रोसँग याद गर्नु. इन्क्रिजिङ भनेपछि प्लस, डिक्रिजिङ भनेपछि माइनस. यदि याद गर्नु भइहाल्छ. इन्क्रिजिङमा हामी के गर्छौं? V is equal to V0 within bracket. This is for increasing, right? V is equal to V0 within bracket 1 plus R upon 100 whole to the power n. Decreasing भनेपछि के हुन्छ फर्मुला? V is equal to V0 within bracket 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n. यो दुईटा फर्मुला हामीले राम्रोसँग याद गर्ने. You can do all this type of problems, right? So let's do this one. The price of a machine of a factory is rupees 18,000. Is it initial value or final value? You have to check it. Let us calculate this price after 3 years. 3 वर्ष पछाडी निकाल्नु पर्यो नि त प्राइस. भविष्यको निकाल्दैछौ 3 वर्ष पछाडीको. त यो चाहिँ भयो हालैको भ्यालु. अहिलेको भ्यालु चाहिँ कति हो? सरी. यस, दिस इज यो चाहिँ हालैको भ्यालु. वर्तमान भ्यालु चाहिँ कति छ मेसिनको? रुपीस 18,000. यो चाहिँ भयो इनिशियल भ्यालु. दैट इज V0 is equal to what? रुपीस 18,000. Right? यो चाहिँ हालैको भ्यालु भयो. The price of a machine of a factory is rupees 18,000. वर्तमान प्राइस वर्तमान भ्यालु चाहिँ कति हो रुपीज 18,000 ठीक छ this is V0 the price of that machine decreases by 10% in each year that is the rate of decrease of the price of the machine is 10% every year in comparison to the previous year that is R is equal to 10% right this R is equal to what 10% let us calculate this price after 3 years that is N is equal to 3 years so you have to calculate the value after 3 years that means V is equal to this is the final value V is equal to question mark we don't know right so now what is the formula here it is decreases by the minus sign so we know that V is equal to V0 within bracket 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power N decreasing भनेपछि हामी यहाँ के युज गर्छौं माइनस साइन युज गर्छौं ठीक छ सो V we don't know V त्यतिकै राख्छ what is V0 it is 18,000 within bracket 1 minus what is R R is 10 so it is 10 by 100 whole to the power 3 right so here you can cancel this 0 gets cancels or V is equal to 18,000 within bracket this is 10 ones are 10 minus 1 is 9 by 10 whole cube it is 9 by 10 whole cube right so let us simplify it or V is equal to 18,000 into what is 9 by 10 whole cube 9 by 10 whole cube means you have to multiply 9 by 10 3 times isn't it so 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 right so here 1 0 1 0 gets cancels 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 gets cancels or V is equal to this is 18 into 9 into this is 9 9s are 81 right or V is equal to let us multiply 18 and 9 9 8s are 72 2 7 9 1s are 9 plus 7 16 into 81 now let us simplify it once again okay that is multiply 162 by 81 162 by 81 so you have to multiply them 162 by 81 right 1 2s are 2 1 6s are 6 1 1s are 1 again 8 2s are 16 6 1 8 6 are 48 plus 1 49 9 4 8 1s are 8 plus 4 is 12 right let us take it once again 1 2s are 2 1 6 are 6 1 1s are 1 8 2s are 16 6 1 8 6 are 48 plus 1 is 49 9 4 is there 8 1s are 8 plus 4 is 12 now let us add them 2 6 plus 6 12 2 1 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11 11 1 1 1 plus 2 is 3 then 1 or V is equal to this is rupees how much is that 13,122 what is the price of the machine after 3 years it is rupees 13,122 so त्यसको मेसिनको प्राइस चाहिँ के भयो घट्दै घट्दै गयो हैन so therefore price of the machine after 3 years is equal to rupees 13,122 so this is the final answer is it clear now so you can copy it we'll do the next question now so now we will do question number 15 the question number 15 is as a result of publicity on smoking the number of smokers is decreased by 1/4% every year in comparison to its previous year त यहाँ क्वेशनमा के भनिँदैछ भन्दाखेरि अब स्मोकिङ गर्नु चाहिँ एकदमै हानिकारक हो त यसको एनाउन्समेन्ट भयो हैन के एनाउन्समेन्ट भएछ स्मोकिङ गर्नु चाहिँ एकदमै धूम्रपान गर्नु चाहिँ एकदमै हानिकारक हो भन्ने चाहिँ के भन्छ पब्लिसिटी, द्याट मिन्स एनाउन्समेन्ट भयो। त यो पब्लिसिटीको कारणले गर्दा चाहिँ द नम्बर अफ स्मोकर्स इज डिक्रिजिङ एभ्री इयर बाई हाउ मच पर्सेन्ट? 6.14% every year in comparison to the previous year. बुझ्दैछ हैन? So now, if the number of smokers at present in a city is 33,750, तो कुनै एउटा सिटीमा चाहिँ नम्बर अफ स्मोकर्स हालैमा एट प्रेजेन्ट कति रहेछ? 33,750. Is that clear? Now let us write by calculating the number of smokers in that city 3 years before. त त्यो सिटीमा चाहिँ 3 वर्ष अगाडि नम्बर अफ स्मोकर्स कति थियो यो चाहिँ निकाल्नुपर्छ। क्वेशन बुझ्यो? त म फेरि पनि बुझाउने चेष्टा गर्दैछु। यो क्वेशनमा के भन्दैछ भन्दाखेरि because of the publicity of smoking that smoking is injurious to health. त यो एनाउन्समेन्ट भइसकेपछि चाहिँ के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि the number of smokers is decreasing every year by 6.14% every year in comparison to the previous year. Okay? So now the number of smokers at present, हालैमा चाहिँ number of smokers चाहिँ कति रहेछ at present in a city is 33,750. Okay? Now we have to find out the number of smokers. Now we have to find out the number of smokers in that city 3 years before. 3 वर्ष अगाडि चाहिँ त्यो सिटीमा चाहिँ नम्बर अफ स्मोकर्स कति थियो त्यो निकाल्नु पर्छ। त बिफोर भनेपछि हामीले 3 years before भनेपछि हामीले इनिशियल भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्यो, दैट इज v0 इज इक्वल टु क्वेशन मार्क। बट इन दिस केस एट प्रेजेन्ट इन अ सिटी द नम्बर अफ स्मोकर्स इज 33,750. त्यो चाहिँ के भयो? फाइनल भ्यालु v. ओके, व्हाट इज द भ्यालु फर r? इट इज डिक्रिजिङ एभ्री इयर, that means minus sign, so r is equal to 6.14%. Is that clear? What is the value for n? It is 3 years. Is that clear to all of you? Now let's do this problem. Now in this case you have to find out v0 because you have to find out the number of smokers in that city 3 years before, isn't it? So v0 is equal to question mark. What is the final value? V is equal to, it is 33,750, right? So what is the rate of decrease per year? It is 6.14%. That means 6 4s are 24 plus 1 is 25/4%. Is that clear? What is the value for n? N is equal to, this is your 3 years. Now which formula is used? Decreasing. The rate of decrease of the number of smokers per year is 6.14% in comparison to the previous year. That means minus sign. So we know that V is equal to V0 within bracket 1 minus R upon 100 whole to the power n. Decreasing भनेपछि चाहिँ हामी के युज गर्नु पर्यो? माइनस साइन युज गर्नु पर्छ। बुझ्दैछ? So next, what is V? 33,750 is equal to, what is V0? V0 question mark, we don't know. 1 minus, what is the value of R? 25/4. 25/4 whole divided by 100. This is whole cube. Is that clear? So now we can cancel 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are 100. Both these 4 are in the denominator. That means 4 4s are 16. Okay? Or this is 33,750 is equal to V0 within bracket 1 minus 1 by 16. This is whole cube. 1 minus 1 by, this is 4 and 4 are in the denominator. That means you can multiply it. It will not be cancelled because both are in the denominator. So you should multiply them. So 4 4s are 16, right? Therefore, 33,750 is equal to V0 within bracket. This is 16 1s are 16 minus 1. That is 15/16 whole cube. Right? So, or 33,750 is equal to V0 into whole cube means 3 times. You have to multiply 15 by 16 3 times. 15 by 16 into 15 by 16 into this is 15 by 16, right? Now we can do cross multiplication. Below this 33,750 there is 1, isn't it? Or now cross multiply by 1. V0 into 15 into 15 into 15 is equal to 16 into 16 into 16 into 16 into 16 into 33,750, right? So, or what is V0 is equal to? V0 is equal to, now when these 15 into 15 into 15 goes to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator, right? So 16 into 16 into 16 into 33,750 whole divided by 15 into 15 into 15. Now let's simplify it. So now here you can cancel. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, isn't it? 30, 37. 15 twos are 30, 75. 15 fives are 75, then comes 0. Is that clear? So therefore V0 is equal to, what is V0 now? Let us take it once again. 15 twos are 30, remainder 3, 37, 15 twos are 30, 75. 15 fives are 75. 75. 15 fives are 7. That means it is 5. Then 0. Okay. So V0 is equal to 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 16 into 2,250 divided by, again it is 15 into 15. So is 2,250 divisible by 15? Let us take it. 15 ones are 15. Then 22 minus 15 is 7, 75, 15 fives are 75, isn't it? So you can cancel it. 15 ones are 15, 15 remainder is 7, 75, 15 fives are 75, 0. Again you can cancel it. 15 ones are 15, 15 tens are 150. Okay. So V0 is equal to, what is 16 multiplied by 16? You know that it is 256. 16 multiplied by 16 is 256 into 16 into 10 is 160, right? Is that clear now? So let us do the rough work. For 160 multiplied by 256. So here is the rough work. Here is the rough work, right? So 256 should be multiplied by 160. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. 6 6 are 36, right? So it is 6 6 are 36, 6 3 6 5 are 30 plus 3 33, 3 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15, right? 6 6 are 36, 6 3 6 5 are 30 plus 3 33, 3 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15. Double cross 6 5 2, that is 1 6 are 6, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. That is 0, 6, 9, 10, 4. 0, 6, 9, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1, plus 1, 2, plus 2, 4. That is, what is V0 is equal to? That is V0 is equal to, what is it? 40,960. So what was the total number of smokers before 3 years? Total number of smokers before 3 years were 40,960. So this is your answer. Therefore, number of smokers before 3 years. Before 3 years is equal to 40960. That is, the number of smokers before 3 years is equal to 40,960. So this is the answer. So I think you have understood the question. This is also important question. So you can copy it. So this much is for today. Okay. So revise all the problems that we have done today. And घरमा practice गर्नु यसलाई फेरि गर्नु रिपिट गर्नु बुझेन भिडियो रिपिट गर्दै हेर्नु बुझेन त आज हामी यति नै गर्छौं ठीक छ त नेक्स्ट क्लासमा अझै प्रब्लम्सहरू गराउँछु यस्तो टाइपको।